Hey, Tim from iRepair here, and I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to check the battery health of all your Apple devices. You're only going to need one application for this, Coconut Battery, and I'm going to leave a link in the description. So once you go to their site, you download it, you open it up, and let's select iOS device here. So this is an older iPhone. The device is not going to contain the battery health in the phone itself. So when we go here, you're gonna find some interesting information. Just for fun, it shows you the age of the device. So this came out in 2012, so the age is 114 months, 9.5 years, 3,496 days. I think that's just for fun. But what we really need to look at here is the design capacity. So the capacity of the iPhone 3GS is 1200 mAh. It's been degraded to 71.6. That is not good. We typically recommend a battery change here at iRepair below 75%, because then you're gonna see a significant increase in battery life after a battery replacement. So check out your own phones. You should have this information in settings if you have a newer device, but for your older devices this is going to be helpful, as well as older iPads, and check out your Mac as well. Alright, I hope that's been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.